दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल की कुछ झलकियां आपको दूरदर्शन ने दिखाई और आने वाले समय में भी आपको पिछले दिनों हुए कार्यक्रम की झलकियां दिखाता रहेगा दूरदर्शन।
बिल्कुल सही। और आज की जहां तक बात है तो आपको बताएं कि इन दिनों 6 दिसंबर से 19 दिसंबर तक आप ललित कला अकादमी में एक पेंटिंग एग्जीबिशन भी देख सकते हैं।
और जो पेंटर है वो है IRS ऑफिसर ऑफ 1988 बैच।
She is a painter too and she joins us now on Evening Live Show. A very warm welcome, Dr. Neena Singh.
Ma'am, a very warm welcome. And the journey sounds really interesting from being an IRS officer to being a painter. How was it?
See, भारतीय राजस्व सेवा ज्वाइन की थी 1988 में और उसके बाद 2001 से सीरियसली पेंटिंग शुरू हो गया और ये मेरा 6th सोलो एग्जीबिशन है ललित कला अकेडमी में जो इन दिनों चल रहा है।
जी, सेलेस्टियल नोटेशंस। जो पेंटिंग एग्जीबिशन है सेलेस्टियल नोटेशंस। तो क्या थीम है, किस तरह की पेंटिंग्स बनाई हैं?
उसमें सेलेस्टियल नोटेशंस ही थीम है। दिस इज बेसिकली इंस्पायर्ड बाय 5 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ नेचर एंड द पेंटिंग्स व्हिच आर डिस्प्लेड एट ललित कला अकेडमी दे आर mostly semi-abstract in nature.
Okay.
And the same exhibition was at Jahangir Art Gallery in the last week of November. And the exhibition travels now to Lalit Kala Academy.
तो क्या कहते हैं आपकी पेंटिंग्स, क्योंकि 6ठी सोलो है, शुरू का अगर आपका काम देखें तो फिगरेटिव आप करती थी और उससे धीरे धीरे सफर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट की ओर ज्यादा बढ़ता रहा।
जी, जब शुरू किया था पेंटिंग तो बेसिकली फिगरेटिव से शुरू किया था, बट ग्रेजुअली वो एब्स्ट्रैक्शन की तरफ चला गया। मतलब it was a natural progression, मतलब it was not conscious or deliberate.
So the exhibition which is ongoing, उसकी कुछ झलकियां हम अपने viewers को जरूर दिखाएंगे।
Painting say the new one? We're not going on air right now. Yeah. The green one, just so that when we come back.
This is an abstract work, basically.
So are those snow peak mountains or is that river? And
this is what mountain?
This is all abstract.
This is all abstract.
But it's so beautiful to the eye that it actually looks like a landscape.
So abstract would mean it's not as if you're drawing a river. You are not drawing a mountain.
I'm not drawing a mountain, not drawing a river. Basically, I'm trying to reach out to the essence of these elements.
Okay.
Basically, like these are not landscape paintings per se, and basically, this is an attempt to reach out to their soul. Basically.
So, what are the elements that have inspired you the most?
I think water and space, basically. And there are some paintings where there is an element of fire as well.
Okay.
ये क्या है मैम?
This is basically an impression of mountain.
डॉक्टर नीना सिंह की ये पेंटिंग प्रदर्शनी इन दिनों ललित कला अकादमी में चल रही है। हमने पेंटिंग्स तो देखी हैं, क्या आप एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग है तो क्या ध्यान में रहता है पेंटिंग बनाते समय?
एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग बनाते समय बेसिकली एक ऐसे स्पेस में आप होते हैं जहाँ थॉटलेसनेस की स्थिति होती है। बेसिकली बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर ऑन टू एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट थॉट, then when you want to paint something abstract, you are in a space where words and thoughts don't enter, and because the kind of job I am in, it's too structured, there is too much of rationality, and so when I come to the canvas, basically I want to get away from all those cerebral activities and thoughts. So basically it is that space where art happens to me.
तो इसमें जैसा हमने देखा मोस्टली माउंटेन्स, रिवर्स, इसका मतलब आप नेचर को दर्शा रही हैं, लैंडस्केप को?
You can say that, but actually लैंडस्केप को नहीं दर्शा रही, because जैसे मैंने पहले बताया कि ये पर से लैंडस्केप पेंटिंग्स नहीं है, but they're inspired from nature, because colors are from nature basically.
And Dr. Singh, like you said कि आपका जो काम है it's completely rational and very structured. So the tiff between passion and profession, how do you strike the balance?
No, actually there is, I don't see it as a tiff. They are very complementary, because when I am painting well, I think I am performing so much better in office. You know. because I think painting gives me a lot of relief. It sustains me, you know. It gives me strength to go on, you know.
जी, इस समय स्क्रीन पे जो पेंटिंग है इसके बारे में बताइए नीना जी।
So ये that green work that you see, ये titled इसका piece है। And when I held my first solo exhibition at Jahangir Art Gallery in 2006, this was the work which I had displayed.
Okay.
And I have a very, very special memory with this painting, because there was a crippled woman who used to come every day, all the 7 days. She would just sit, not say a word, and she would just look at this painting for hours. You know, and later this painting won me an award at Ukrainian Art Week. And so this painting is very, very special, you know. And these kinds of people, those who walk in at Lalit Kala Academy and Jahangir Art Gallery, it's a very humbling experience, you know. And because if you see the people who come to these galleries, which are public places, you know, अगर आप उन्हीं लोगों को बाहर देखेंगे तो आपको लगेगा नहीं कि even these people have to do something with art. But it's only places like Lalit Kala Academy and Jahangir Art Gallery, you know, which give you an experience that even a person who in the restrictive sense should not be doing anything with art, but even those come and they experience, maybe they don't even understand what the art is doing to them.
Okay.
No, but certainly is doing something, because
what does it do? What does art do to a human being?
I think it makes you a much better human being. It gives you something, you know, which tells you that life is not just what you experience daily. It is much more than that.
And you became a bureaucrat in 88. You were initiated into art much later.
No, actually I was initiated much earlier, at the age of 4 or 5 years, if I remember. But civil services happened because I had to earn my livelihood.
Okay.
Basically.
So are you saying that a good painter can't earn a good livelihood?
No, it's not that he or she cannot earn a good livelihood, but if you have something to fall back on, you are not dictated by anything, you know.
Okay.
You can actually follow your heart and soul.
But do you think things are changing now for the present generation, because they are very passionate about their hobbies and they want to turn them into professions? So would you say that now things have changed for a painter in today's world?
Yes, definitely they are changing, because for our generation, you know, we couldn't have thought of, because parents were not so supportive, you know, because it was more ki, they were so focused कि नहीं पढ़ाई करनी,
conventional jobs करना,
very restrictive.
Yeah.
But now I think this generation is very fortunate, because the parents are so supportive. If the child is good in music, the parents are there.
Since Neena ji, your parents weren't from art, in your family there was nobody who was a painter. Did you have to rebel to tell them that you wanted to become a painter?
No, I'm not the kind of person who would rebel. But yes, I nurtured this dream. Like, it was my dream to join JJ School of Art. But it didn't happen, but today I have no regrets. Because ultimately, I think my destiny lied here, and I, you know.
Okay, so what can art lovers now expect from Dr. Neena Singh in times to come?
My journey, you know, is a decade old, and I think there are a lot more to come.
Lot more to come?
Lot more to come. There is so much in the pipeline.
Okay, and we wish you all the best, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Painting say, the new one? We're not going on air right now. Yeah. The green one, just so that when we come back.
This is an abstract work, basically.
So are those snow peak mountains, or is that river? And
this is what? Mountain?
This is all abstract.
This is all abstract.
But it's so beautiful to the eye that it actually looks like a landscape.
So abstract would mean it's not as if you're drawing a river. You are not drawing a mountain.
I'm not drawing a mountain, not drawing a river. Basically, I'm trying to reach out to the essence of these elements.
Okay.
Basically, like these are not landscape paintings per se. And basically, this is an attempt to reach out to their soul, basically.
So what are the elements that have inspired you the most?
I think water and space, basically. And there are some paintings where there is an element of fire as well.
Okay.
ये क्या है मैम?
This is basically an impression of mountain.